Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are obviously back in the corner. It's my new favorite place, and obviously we have New York and San Francisco over there. Today we have an interesting video. I have two packages here for us to unbox, and there's some very interesting items, so I think you'll enjoy them quite much. So I'm just going to lift them up from down here. They're down here, and one of them has some interesting packaging. It says fortune cookies, so I actually thought this was fortune cookies, and I was surprised who was sending me fortune cookies, so I did already open it, but I didn't look in it. I just made sure that it wasn't fortune cookies. So we don't know what's in there yet, but I think I know what's in there. And then we have another box here. So this is actually the only piece of software I own that's going to run on this, and this is well, let's find out. Okay, so here we are with our fortune cookie box. And we're going to open it up. So there's some packing peanuts in here. You can tell that. Can't get these lids to stay open. So I think this is our charging cable. I'm going to set that to the side. This is a battery. Looks like a big Duracell battery. And we got to dig around. Gotta love these packing peanuts, you know. They make a mess everywhere. Very well packaged, though, by the way. And we have whatever this is. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Nothing else. Just these boxes for secure packing. Good packing job. Sadly, we didn't receive any fortune cookies in that box, but we did get packing peanuts, and I want to assure everyone that no packing peanuts were harmed in the making this video. Until now. Oh well. Moving on. This is what came in the box, and it's an ancient laptop. And now I shouldn't say ancient, it's not that old, but it's still a lot older than anything I have, so I'm just going to rip through the tape because I don't know where my scissors went. Very effective way of opening bubble wrap packages, by the way. Oh, got another peanut. Peanuts are all over in here now. Oh, that was bubble wrap. I really need to find my scissors. Okay. Here it comes. Almost all the way out. There we go. Now that is awesome. Look at that. It's an old Compaq laptop. That's where the battery goes. See if I can open it. I don't know how to open it. There's a... okay. So on the sides, there's these switch thingies. You have to push those to open it. Look at the beauty. What else do we have on here? Oh, look, we even have a floppy drive. We got some ports on the back. Alright, we'll come back to this in a second. And this is just a charging cable. Pull that out the side. Anyways, we'll come back to that. That didn't sound good. So this is actually a box containing a game that I bought to run on this. And it's an old MS-DOS, it's actually brand new. Made by the 8-Bit guy. I don't know if you've seen his videos, but he's a cool guy. I'll leave a link to his channel up there. So it's called Planet X3. And it's a pretty cool package. So good packaging. Really appreciate the padding and everything. It's awesome box design. Really cool. And when you open it up, I bought the version with the soundtrack and the floppy disk, so this will slot right in here in a minute, and we'll see what happens. So I've been trying to get the thing to boot DOS, and I knew when I bought it that the power was inconsistent, so you kind of have to hold the power connector downwards to get like any sort of light going, and then you have to push the button, but like... it's kind of hard to do. So if I gently leave that, I can kind of get it to start going. and then the power is just going to be inconsistent. But maybe we can get it this time, maybe. Looks like it's going. Alright. Hard drive. Floppy, I think we're going somewhere. There we go. Checking memory. See that? Screen's working and starting. Oh, we're going. DOS is booting. I think we're gonna do it. Yeah! It did it! Here we go! Let's do it! Okay. Let's do... Out of some miracle, we got the computer setup working from Compaq, and it's saying we need to set the date, and it looks like the earliest year is 1980. I think this computer's from 1990, 91, 93, I'm not sure, but that's the closest I could find. I don't know exactly when it's from. But let's see if it can do today's date. What is even today's date? We're just gonna put like 16, that's not how it works, isn't it? 16 dash, what's the month? 4 dash 20. I don't know if it's compliant, but I don't know what time it is. We're just going to put it like this, okay? Click. Alright. Nope. It didn't like 2000s, so not year 2000 compliant, and let's see what it does. Blue screen. Now it's white, and alright, we have a 1.4 megabyte, 3.5-inch floppy with a, oh my, VGA monitor. Look at all this stuff in here. Oh yeah, and then so the keyboard, a few of the letters are rubbed off, like the E and the R. That's not a P, that's an R. And so other than that, it's in really good condition. It's just really thick. We'll do a comparison with the other computer in a minute, but alright, I'll get it working and we'll get the game playing because we want some Plandex 3. So you might be watching this video and be like, oh yeah, that's like a pretty good sized laptop and not too thick. Put my hand there for comparison. And then you bring in a modern laptop and you're like, oh my gosh, where did we go wrong? So you can stack 3 MacBook Airs on top of each other and you still wouldn't be as thick as this big boy Compaq. So I wasn't able to get the disc to read, and so I'm going to have to go and find another floppy drive to read for this, because I think this floppy drive is broken. But other than that, I think it's a pretty cool computer, and we'll have to come back and visit it when I can get Plandex 3 working on it. Oh, and also we have a huge Duracell battery. Isn't that amazing? Just thought I'd add that.